Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can extract data from your Word document file using Node.js and Node.js using a library called as this library Node Stream Zip. So let me show you a basic example, guys. It's very easy. You need to create a index.js file. Just create a basic Node.js project, and we need these dependencies. First of all, let me show you what dependencies we are using for this project. So go to npmjs.com. The very first dependency we are using is file system. It's a built-in dependency. You need not have to install it. And then we are using line by line. This is basically one dependency we are using. It's a pretty much a basic module which helps reading large text files line by line. You need to install this. The next module that we need to install is Node Stream Zip. So if you just search this module on npm.js Node Stream Zip, the very first module which comes here, you will see it is used for reading and writing zip files inside Node.js. So over 1 million downloads are there. And lastly, we basically convert Word documents to XML before we extract the data as text file. So XML to JS. So we are using this dependency also. It's a simple XML to JavaScript object converter. So with the help of these dependencies, first of all, install it, just create index.js. So I have already created this library, guys, doc.js file. It's a lengthy code. So I have given the link in the description, guys, of the full source code. So inside index.js, here what we need to do, we need to simply call this library, and I will now show you how it works. First of all, just include the file system module, which is a built-in module, and docs, we are requiring that file that we created, docs file. And basically this contains two methods, guys, extract and open. Open will actually open the file, or extract will actually extract the text from the Word document. So we are basically providing a input file. This is actual file, guys. If I open this file doc file, this is actual text which is written inside Microsoft Word document. So we need to extract all this text and save it in a txt file. So what we can do right here, we can provide this to this method. This returns a promise dot then, and inside this we will get the response and an error. We will compare it. If error take place, in that case we will console log error. If no error take place, in that case we will write the file fs write file synchronize file.txt. So we will create a file with this response. You can also console log response here like this. So whatever data, whatever text present inside this file, it will create a file.txt file. Let me delete this file here. And if I execute the script now, basically if I type node index.js, so now it will create file.txt, guys. You will see on the left hand side, and all the data that you see inside doc file, which is printed in the console. And if you see, file.txt is also created. Is not showing it properly here, but still if you see right here, this is actual file, guys. You will see that all the data is successfully extracted from the Word document. So this is a very cool little library that I developed, guys. The link is given in the description of the video. You can basically check out it, and this is, you can simply call this inside your Node.js application. Simply require it contains two methods. So thank you very much. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.